Bandage Bandit.
Oh, right, of course.
Right now, yeah. Season 2,
Hmm.
which is... I'm quite shocked. Actually, now when I'm seeing it, I'm realizing how much hard work my director has put in, yeah. While we were doing it, हम तो अपना काम करके, like, चले. But my God, when I'm seeing it now, I'm seeing the scale at which he's mounted the second season, which also I didn't realize.
And the second season is much more pressure, isn't it?
हम लोग को नहीं
Not
होता,
for you,
yeah.
for him,
You
I'm
know,
saying.
yeah,
Yeah,
for
yeah,
him,
yeah.
obviously. For the creators, of course, it is. But we just go and do our thing and come. Yeah, हमको क्या, you know what I mean? In that sense. I mean, of course, the show is ours.
We have to start this episode of Cyrus Says, or webisode, with an apology to Shiba,
That's
famous actress Shiba Chadda, who's here and was waiting for us for 20 minutes in our own studio, or in the side of the studio, because the studio was occupied. And that's because we were doing another show.
That's true.
I just want to say that it's not my fault, Shiba.
Those
I'm
guys
a
were talking too much.
typical Indian male who puts the finger on the other person. Between Prithvi Vishnu, this young man who is known as Abhisa Benchot, if I'm allowed to use his full name, as a Delhi girl, that shouldn't be a problem. Very typical. There's the Sharmas,
I've been
the
guilty
Varmas.
myself many times.
Sharma Varma Benchot. So that's how we talk in Delhi. And so we kept you outside in Amit, our proprietor's cabin, because there's no space. I apologize.
But he was very kind and delayed eating his soup.
Yeah. He also has a very distinct American meets Valkeshwar accent, which is
I
it takes
heard
time
it.
to
I heard it. He
Yeah.
kicked it.
Did you ask, sir, आप कहाँ से हो?
नहीं,
I mean, that should have been.
उन्होंने बता दिया था
हाँ?
कि वो थे वहाँ पे लंबे बार से तक. हाँ,
In case you didn't pick it up.
No, he
yeah.
was very kind. Okay, shut up. Don't.
Shiva, I'm very because you have to understand. There's only one thing I'm good at is being on time. I'm a very punctual
They
person.
told me that you are very punctual.
So my heart is breaking when I
I
heard
think
that
now
you've
we've
come.
done enough.
I want to power put over you for the next 15 minutes. I want to make you feel very comfortable. I want to pay you a sum of compensation, whatever you
No,
say.
pay me money.
Exactly. So you just say the figure and it will
He's
appear.
lying.
कितना बोलो?
Lies.
Lies ने figure तो बताओ. Just from your mind.
देगा ये देगा.
One is enough.
Corner.
2
One what?
crores, obviously, yaar. We are all Valkeshwar boys here.
Okay, let's not get into total dilululu or
Another woman who doesn't trust me. Unbelievable, yeah. We just met. Yeah.
Man.
Okay, Shiba, thank you for coming on the show.
You're welcome.
And now we're going to start properly from the beginning. It's just a simple... Shiba basically saw some of our podcasts which she had never heard of me on the podcast. Yesterday.
First time.
And she was not impressed. Gajraj, which is one of our better ones. She didn't like that. And then you saw Adil.
Gaju will kill me.
He doesn't mind. Gaju's got a great sense of humor. He's lovely. He compared me to the most famous Indian of this last century.
Who's that?
I won't take names because I felt it was like not correct. But he explained how the man came from South Africa, came here. Then
That's the one I saw.
Ah.
That's the one I saw.
And I didn't know what to say.
I also thought कि maybe he should-
Sarcasm भी ठीक है मगर लाइन का लिमिट होना चाहिए ना.
नहीं मुझे लगा कि वो नहीं हो जाए ना मुंह खोला फिर टांग उसमें डाल दिया
Exactly that happened.
But it nicely skirted around stuff.
Yes. I hope we escaped. I
Yeah,
don't
you-
know.
I think-
Now you remember it as well, so
I
it's a
do.
bit scary.
I do.
But let's not talk about Gajraj.
Let's.
Gajraj is not your show. Back off. Let's talk about you. So Shiba, we'll start from the beginning and then we can chat about anything you want. It's a very informal show. If you want to just discuss maybe the work that's going on downstairs or in your building, whatever, we can talk about that also. All right? But we will start with the fact that you're from Delhi or
I
the
am.
Delhi.
I am from the Delhi.
And how did it all start?
Bombay or work?
नहीं
or
the
whatever?
whole idea of getting into business, theatre first.
Theatre यार
हाँ,
तो
तो-
शुरू से ही मतलब इंटरेस्ट in school time, you know, घर में भी नाटक नौटंकी, and then just started, like I think it starts with everybody, just an interest in performance probably, and being a part of that thing, because I'd seen one play actually, and that really did it for me.
Which play? Do you
It
remember?
was a play, it was a musical called Main Ladli Maina Teri by some Sheila Bhatia, who was a great like musical icon, which I didn't know at the time. I just went with some neighbor.
You were a bachchi.
I was about 10, 12, I think. And when I saw that, I'm like, oh, yaar. Like it really was one of those twing moments. And that one wants to do that. One wants to sort of have that kind of fun. And then school में बहुत सारा नाटक. College was dramatics quota because no marks, backbencher total.
So in school you did a lot of plays.
हाँ.
So you could apply for...
Apply to nahi, I wanted to do literature. That's what I did in college. But you can't get in till you have, you know, DU, how it is, yeah? You have to have some crazy ass
I
cut
was
off.
raised in Mumbai. मेरे को DU के बारे में क्या पता है?
So DU is like
The way you're saying it. First, you know I'm not even college friendly.
Great, is it?
No,
Neither am I.
St. Xavier's
Oh,
Mumbai.
then
दिखाओ certificate दिखाओ.
नहीं मेरे पास तो है भी नहीं आपके पास अगर है.
You didn't even pass out
No,
of
because
DU.
you have to give subsidiaries, no, which I didn't give. You have to take.
What is subsidiary? Ancillary subjects.
हाँ वो तो
Extra subjects.
हाँ तो वो नहीं किया ना.
मतलब?
देखो जो एक बैक बेंचर का जो फितरत होता है ना वो
हाँ.
एक अलग होता है. मीनिंग
तो basically आप आलसी थी.
बहुत
Let's say that only ना.
टोटल बैक बेंच.
हाँ.
टोटल. कौन करेगा तो. एंड ऑल्सो आई डेंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग विद द डिग्री, सो इट वाजंट लाइक वो डिग्री ले जाके कुछ एमए करना है या कुछ करना है.
लिटरेचर के साथ देयर इज नॉट दैट मेनी ऑप्शंस ना.
माने एट दैट टाइम इट यूज्ड टू बी लाइक एमए कर लो और टीचर बन जाओ या पढ़ा दो या व्हाटएवर. तो yeah, I think college was just wonderful to do literature for 3 years and to get to do a play literally mounted on a pretty professional level each year, which used to happen in our college. And yeah.
So you were like prominent in the play structure, like big roles, and people would know Shiba Chadha, क्या actress है, you know.
ये नहीं पता लेकिन prominent हाँ जी. Prominent. Yeah.
So then you must have already got confidence that I'll stay in this line or give it a crack and all that.
यार that time there was no line like that, huh, Cyrus, when I'm
तो
talking.
फिर क्या सोच है?
कुछ नहीं था यार उस time. It was literally like you're just doing it because your parents are paying your bills, ना.
फ्यूचर का कनेक्ट नहीं है इसमें. You're just, this is your identity right now in the college.
This was been my thing pretty much through life, which is like has been quite chalo.
Bindas, as we say in Mumbai.
Well, at that time, now I wouldn't call myself that, I think. But that time 100% because you're like, as a profession, it was never a thing because tab kuch tha hi nahi that you could earn a living because this TV thing hadn't happened that time. You know how that TV boom had happened at one point?
90s.
वो नहीं हुआ था तब. तो it was just like, आप कर रहे हो. I was doing theatre outside also. I was doing theatre in college. And then...
So you started doing professional theatre also?
Professional in the sense of it was a theatre group called Chingari with Rajat Kapoor and
Chingari, we're world famous.
Hey, how? How you know?
Rajat Kapoor's thing, yeah.
Yeah.
So if I know and I'm not a Delhi guy,
हाँ, so then we all are same group, no?
Okay.
Rajat, Rahul Vora, these two are actors.
So you were C for Clowns also, no? I read somewhere.
C for Clown was Bombay. That's Rajat's Bombay company.
But when you did Chairs, you weren't there. Yeah, but
Chairs is Atul Kumar, which is my ex-husband.
I've seen that in Hindi.
Yeah.
I've seen C for Clowns.
C for Clown is Rajat.
Prithvi mein.
Correct.
Then I've seen Chairs.
That was where? In Bombay?
I think Waiting for Godot also he did in Hindi. Which I've seen.
I used to play the boy in that. Literally.
क्या बात है? In Mumbai?
Yeah, we did.
This is many years ago.
Many years ago.
Yeah.
I love that play.
Wow, even I love that.
That play is super good.
Let's come to that later. So you were in Delhi and you're thinking कि this is what I do, but that's it.
हाँ, this is what I
क्या
do.
plans क्या थी?
No plans यार. 3 साल कॉलेज में बहुत. एक तो I'm coming from a girls' school है.
Which one?
Convent, Carmel Convent. Very convent. So.
Pretty girls?
Yeah.
I'm sure.
फिर उसके बाद में just to come to college was like wow, yeah, like life, you know, lovely. And not just in terms of gender things and boys, but just in terms of wow, you know, it's just life. You're going on your own, you're coming on your own. It's just you're deciding your time, or class bunk करना है या करना है, and just that freedom. I think was lovely.
That's the word.
Freedom.
For all of us, I think, at least up to our generation, the idea of going from school, which is rigid, to college, which is far more liberal, open, and even parents are not watching you anymore.
Yeah.
Sort of thing.
Yeah. It's like it's another. That's a
adult
shift.
का first step.
हाँ, correct. ऐसा सा कुछ, yeah. So बहुत मज़ेदार. और क्या हम बात कर रहे थे फिर?
Doesn't matter. I've got Alzheimer's. You think I remember? I barely remember anything. Where are we? Shiva, you tell me. The professional thing happened because you started doing, you said with Chingari in Delhi.
Yeah, but वो professional theatre के नाम पे सारे what? You know, you just go and do the play.
No, money wise not professional, but जो
the way it's
discipline
done,
है वो professional.
That was even in my 3 years of college. Then we used to totally, the play was
rehearsal, take it seriously.
Proper, performed in a proper thing with proper, you know, like proper the way play is done. So that was quite a strong 3 years of very strong active theatre and consistent. Then I had to go to America for 2 years, that for a personal reason. And by the time I came back...
Studies?
No, it was some family thing. I had to be there for 2 years. And I came back, and by that time this entire television explosion had happened. When the actors were actually making money with TV and all that. So then I thought, अरे यार ये तो कुछ एक possibility है. And then I came to Bombay, saying कि 1 महीना I will give. Just 1 because उससे ज़्यादा अगर नहीं मिला तो फिर then you know कि नहीं होगा कुछ भी. That time one didn't know 1 महीना क्या होता है.
So where did you stay?
I stayed in Rajat's house for a bit. Rajat and Meenal were, they had a house in Dadar and they were not in town for a while.
She used to work in Mumbai in a magazine.
Yeah.
My wife was a photographer, so that's how I remember that connection.
She did a proper job.
Damn it, we all got married. What bad karma. Then?
Your wife listens to every podcast.
No.
That's
Which
ठीक
wife
है.
will listen to husband's podcast?
That's true.
Yeah.
ठीक है. बोलो और बोलो.
Our marriage survives because we don't listen to each other.
That's true.
I think that's my advice to people. Shiba, 24 years of marriage, it will be in Jan.
I don't know. I have a failed marriage. So
What is failed?
for the lack
Failed,
of...
there's no
yeah,
failed
yeah,
marriage.
that sounds
You
so lame.
ended the marriage. Failed is the
Yeah,
marriage
that's
that
so lame.
continues.
Sorry, lame,
See,
lame.
बीमारी भी कैंसर की तरह है ना?
गलती हो
कैंसर
गया.
की तरह है.
गलती.
You want to
Correct.
खिंचाओ it, you will suffer even more. Correct?
बिल्कुल. Fully.
Okay, why are we digressing? We'll come to all that later. Let's try and get to the career, the beginning of the boom. So you came to
हाँ.
Mumbai, you stayed with Rajat because that's the biggest problem.
Yeah.
Going
No,
from a
but
big
there were
Delhi
friends
house.
here,
हाँ.
you know, to stay. Manish Chaudhary is a friend. तो उसके घर में थोड़ा time in Rajat. Literally, it was like that. Yeah, these two homes, I think, for that 1 month. And then...
Auditions?
Audition meaning meeting people. Networking तो क्या ही समझ आता था यार. दोस्त ये एक दो थे. तो एक लिस्ट होती थी ना तब, जैसे अब यहाँ पे आराम नगर का कुछ फंडा है, I believe, right? So there it used to be whatever friend is there, they'll have some list, which was largely Manish, I think, mainly. I don't even remember any other friend really. Rajat and Manish. Rajat, not really an actor at that time, he was totally positioning as a director. तो वो तो उसको तो literally कुछ एक list थी जिसमें कि ये कुछ थे इतने ये इनसे मिल लो and then we had a friend of ours called Ken, with whom we'd done theatre.
Ken
Phillips.
Yeah.
You know Ken?
Yeah.
So he's a very old friend. So Ken was working with Sanjay Leela Bhansali at that time,
Right.
Writing. And Ken was in Bombay at that time. Now I remember.
So
wow, you've taken me back.
No, please take your time. Let's remember it properly. Also, I want to know because it's very important is where does the first step happen and how does it happen? Because back in the 90s and all, I'm presuming it happens also purely networking.
Yeah, networking तो मुझे नहीं पता.
Okay, wrong शब्द है. You know what I mean?
You know, यही होता था.
दरवाजा खोलने के लिए कोई तो होना चाहिए ना.
But वो आप ऐसे जा रहे हो cold. आप किसी के reference तो जा ही नहीं रहे, कोई reference तो है ही नहीं.
That's true.
You know what I mean? You don't know anyone. क्या बोलोगी?
You can लगाओ. दिलीप कुमार साहब मिलो. Yeah.
So Ken would probably be the only foot in the door,
right.
in the sense that
you could take his name.
No, that he told me that there's an audition.
Okay.
That there could be an audition. Why don't you come? Yeah, that's the only.
So you just went and took an audition. They don't know who you are. You're not in the list. You just and they let you.
They don't. I'm just landed from planet Delhi. They have no idea who the hell. So because of Ken, I got an audition with Sanjay, and I got the part. And that was what was crazy. But in that 1 month, I had also gone and, it's like I remember Sudhir Mishra, okay? So there was this list of people, you want to meet. So Sudhir Mishra, I remember, I had to meet him somewhere.
You're just meeting, you're not doing an audition.
No.
Dangerous.
These are like, hello, I'm here. Mere photo hai.
Which
Meenal had only shot for me
outside
Rajat's Santa Cruz office as a random. Oh wow, this is so far back, Cyrus. Photos which literally got me work. 5,000 rupees is what I paid her later for the portfolio. And so you take your photo, ad agencies में छोड़ो.
Headshots.
Literally like that. And ये थोड़ा सा अपना resume type किया हुआ जो theatre किया है. And literally that was the networking. And you had a list of people. Sudhir Mishra is a funny story. I had to meet him. And I'm waiting in his office.
Was he established and famous?
Yeah, that's how you meet, na? Because you know कि नाम है वो. So these people who had already made a couple of films and you feel that these are people you want to work with.
Quality directors.
Because also you don't see yourself fitting into any of that
without taking names.
माने
the parallel universe भी है arts में.
वो जो था ना वो जिसमें माने उधर कहीं जाएंगे यार. तब तो वो roles भी नहीं होते थे, Cyrus. Literally in those films, the total formulaic
fixed setting.
उसमें तो there were no roles for actors like us. So one never thought के उधर कुछ anyways होने वाला है. So within, for lack of a better word, parallel cinema people, and the films that you liked, you wanted to meet them. So no, I'm just saying Sudhir was a funny one where I was sitting in his office waiting for him.
Sudhir Mishra का जो कहानी है, now we promoted it as the greatest story. This anecdote has to be so good. The whole show depends on this one anecdote.
No, I'm not saying that.
Now you said fuck it.
This is so lame.
Say.
Now this is so lame.
Please,
this is not even a story anymore.
No. You want a quality director, the parallel cinema market.
Damn.
And now you go and meet him.
Nothing. He was late and he came and then I'm like, I didn't know what he looked like, right? So I'm like, so what? Since a man came in, I'm like, what is this? He's so late, this Mr. I said, he says, I'm Sudhir Mishra. So that was it. I'm a terrible storyteller.
Shiva, I don't know how to tell you.
ये नहीं होगा.
I was waiting. I thought this was going to be the greatest moment in podcasting history.
And joke and story batana, it's like.
And poor Sudhir Joshi, I mean, so what you're trying to say is you were complaining and bitching to a guy who turned out to be him.
Yeah.
Okay, shall we take 2?
Yeah.
Action! So you're waiting, and finally couldn't handle. You told the guy with white hair who was standing there, कि boss, ये कहाँ है Sudhir Mishra, MCBC, a couple of other things, your Delhi spirit came out. And he said, boss, मैं Sudhir Mishra हूँ. And that's the story.
That's it.
Yeah. But that must have charmed him in a way.
Yeah, I doubt it.
No?
No. It was just, we both were sullen throughout the whole thing, I remember.
Oops. All right. So, but the first film that you got, where you did the cold audition, what was that?
Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam.
Oh, Hum Dil De Chuke. But that's a proper big film.
Yeah, that was a proper film, yeah. Proper big.
So much for that parallel cinema.
हाँ. Actually, उसमें तो कुछ मुझे याद नहीं है कुछ भी हुआ.
See, karma is different from your thoughts.
हाँ, or intent or.
Man can plan and then God will, or whoever is in charge.
Oh, sir, we live that every day. Na?
Wow.
Yeah.
You're too philosophical for me. I'm an idiot.
That's true.
To talk.
He's philosophical enough to know that.
talk to me like I'm 8. We'll have a much more pleasant conversation.
Like that?
Yeah. You're talking in layers now. It's too tough for me to catch up.
Are you mad?
Yeah.
Badam khilao inko yaar koi bhai.
Intelligence can't be. There's a big thing, they say take these, something mushrooms, no drugs. What mushrooms are they?
What are they?
No, not drug mushrooms. There's another lion's mane mushroom.
What is that?
Supposed to help with, right? No?
Really?
Cognitive functioning and all that.
Yeah.
As you age, it's supposed to be very good.
I fall for all of this.
I also fall for all this. Nothing happens.
But you don't know, slowly hoga na.
No,
एक दिन खाओ ऐसे थोड़े कुछ हो जाएगा.
Look at you, the whole Sudhir Mishra story we couldn't remember between two of us. Alright, I've taken mushrooms all day. I can't take any more mushrooms.
We're bad performers, yeah, Cyrus.
That's
We're not
true.
good storytellers.
Not good or bad performers. We're different.
We're different.
Let's just put it that way. The labels anyone can have. Okay, so then you got a break with a very big film.
Yeah.
And then from there you started to do more films.
But a lot of TV because that film came and then
you got noticed, people know who you are. So
but ऐसा नहीं होता ना, Cyrus. It was also like slow because at that time I think the social media thing wasn't there.
Yeah.
Everything was like slower. So I don't even remember. Dil Se was the next film where I had a really tiny role. Like nothing. You blink and I'm not there. I don't even remember my third film. That's interesting.
I have it here. If you want, I can search.
No, ठीक है. मतलब whatever. So films were.
और TV कब हुआ फिर?
TV तो constantly, yeah, because that's literally what was.
So you're doing
running the
side by
house.
side.
Yeah. But not with Bansali's film. Bansali's film was Bansali's film.
Right.
I think once
you
I
call
had-
him Bansali. Everyone else says Sanjay G and all that.
I call him Sanjay. I just said
I think-
Bansali. I don't know. why.
He's very nice. I don't think he cares for the G and all that. I think the people just unnecessarily do it.
Those who need to do it can
Do I have to call you
Shiba?
Shiba Ji?
Totally, you have to call me Shiba, G Saab, G, Madam G, all of that.
Okay. Do I have to call you all of them together? Because that'll take a long time.
Okay, Cyrus, we'll go with Shiba and Cyrus only. Okay.
Okay, done. But we switch. I'll be Shiba, you be Cyrus. Let's try that way.
No, I'm never late.
Okay. Stop that. You're breaking my heart. I don't know. All I have. I don't have anything going for me except that I'm always on time. I feel terrible about this. I was shaking. I was telling this guy he wanted to shoot memes and all that. What are you doing? It's your fault. Tell her now. Take the blame, bro. Be honest.
Oh, poor baby.
Yeah, really.
Okay.
I was pushing him. Mr. Manchur?
ठीक है. मान लिया, माफ किया, चलो.
Yeah. Tell me, how can we make it up to you? Take anything you want from the podcast on your way out. Reputation.
वो तो आप ही ने
मुश्किल
दे
से,
दी.
मुश्किल से. So you're doing TV. We haven't spoken about TV.
Yeah,
So
it was terrible. Yeah, it was really terrible. To land up on a TV set is quite terrible for many actors, I
In
think.
the sense, the hard work and the sometimes
No,
the
it's
horrible.
really lousy work, yeah. Oh, so the time when I started television was the time when the daily soap hadn't come. So
Right.
those were the good years. They were the really good years of TV. Actually,
So weekly episodes.
weekly. They
As
were
against
weekly.
daily, huh?
Correct. Now, in fact, the show that Adil was speaking of, I saw a bit of his thing. This Jasoos Vijay, I did one episode of that
Oh.
also. And funnily, that I did. And then I got to work in another film, which is one of my most precious films, which nobody on earth has seen. It's called In Othello, so I was shooting for Jasoos Vijay, and Adil was working with this director called Royston Abel, who had done this.
You've spoken of him, yeah.
Yeah. So they have done this total cutting edge. They won the Edinburgh Fringe that year with this
Right.
play called Othello in Black and White. And Royston, who's the director, got money to make a film out of that. And I think they were looking to cast Desdemona.
Wow.
Yeah. And then I did this thing with Adil, and then Adil went and told us that you could try her for that, and I went and met Royston, and yeah, it was just like half an hour meeting after the shooting, and he said, "हाँ, you're on." तो सब पागल थोड़े लोग ना तो so yeah, that is one of the most films that I've really
That you're proud
really,
of.
I'm very happy to have done it, and the way, and one it's Shakespeare, one it was a text, and it was the first film for Royston, you know. So, but I didn't like it when I saw it at that time, and funnily, I saw it now again after I don't know.
You didn't like it after you saw the
I
premiere?
didn't
or
like
whatever
it when I'd seen it then.
Yeah.
I thought if it's really whatever.
Stiff. It's damn tough to
It's
do
a
this.
It was.
It translates badly on the stage, sometimes translates badly in film,
No,
is it?
this was a script written for cinema.
Okay.
It is not कि वो डाल दिया उसमें, वो तो नहीं था.
So what didn't you like? You didn't like your performance?
No. Of course, one's performance. No, the film. It was very crude. It was very sketchy. It was very. I thought not.
It sounds like my
together.
podcast. It's crude, it's sketchy, it's all over the place. This is describing our show. For who would think that I'd be Othello?
देखो यार, everything is about him. I tell you, man.
Leo, Shiba Leo personality.
Leo, goodness.
Damn it, yeah.
Ranveer also you had on the podcast.
Yes, Leo.
Leo.
Unbelievable. So full of himself, he started talking third person.
Okay,
Ranveer
I
does
know
this.
him too long. Ranveer नहीं बोल मारेगा मुझे.
Sorry. So you didn't like it then.
But I saw it recently and I thought, oh, it's not bad at all. So that led to that, and so this lot of television work was going on, which was very nice at that time, and then the daily soaps came, which was
So what television work stood out for you that you enjoyed?
a lot of it. Yeah, actually, when I look back, there was a series called Bhavar, which used to be cutting edge cases which have changed the course of law. These are real cases.
Real cases,
Yeah.
yeah.
It was there was a company called TV18.
Of course.
Yeah.
We worked with them only in MTV.
So those people used to do that
Until
show.
they got taken over.
Bye.
Mukesh bhai.
He's doing all that eye rolling shit. What?
Mukesh bhai.
Oh, okay, fine. I don't know. I'm not going in there.
What?
Okay, fine.
Corporate takeover.
Okay, all right. Okay.
We hope to get taken over on our podcast. If you're out there, take us over. Yeah. We can't wait to be taken over. Huh.
Deख lo, you might have to choose
So
your words.
TV18.
TV18, then that
I may have come and seen your rehearsals and all. I used to hang around the TV18 office all the time.
There were no rehearsals. You just go and shoot the damn thing. So you might have come on the thing. What rehearsals?
Really like my wife. All your enthusiasm, they kill it. No?
But what
You're trying to talk
I
about
came
something.
to
I'm
watch
so
the-
happy
the whole
and I'm so
thing.
deflated. I'm so happy that I'm so deflated. After 13 minutes, I'm just deflated.
No, this is just
I'm just
truth
kidding.
bombs only then.
True.
Just-
So TV18 did the show. And let's give them their due. They were path breakers in a sense. They were pioneers. They did a
Totally,
lot
yeah.
of our shows on MTV that they did first and all. Vision was very different. They were really trying to take television to another level.
It was a bunch of, I think, very dynamic, कुछ
Yeah.
अकलमंद लोग at that time. अब मुझे नहीं मालूम क्या.
Well, then they also did Roadies, Raghu Rajiv.
Did they?
From
I've
the
not
younger
seen
ones.
Roadies ever. I have no clue.
You should never see Roadies unless you like looking at a bike for a long time and a person talking.
That's not me.
Yeah, that's not me either, really. I won't get into it, but the bikes don't even have engines. Sorry. So where were we? So they did the show called Bhavar, and then it was about this crime reenactments.
So what are they showing you?
I don't know, there's this whole scandal because, I wasn't really on Roadies, but every time Nikhil fell sick, they would send me, so I would sometimes be on it. And the thing is that these guys would come to the office in Parel and demand their bikes because they were all promised free bikes. So we had like 100 bikes outside. None of the bikes had engines.
So, but then what? What are they?
So they
The
were told-
khachas, you just look at them and
I
say,
don't know,
oh,
that's how
lovely.
they were kept there. And then they had to be taken to the factory somewhere far away in Khopoli or God knows where, somewhere deep in Maharashtra. So someone has to transport it. It was a real headache. It wasn't worth it. And then get the shell fitted in, whatever. And I think that you have to pay for separately and all that. There's a lot of in between the lines things when you get these freebies.
Oh.
Yeah. Did I tell you I had an arranged marriage? And there was no contract drawn up. I didn't get any detailing, nothing till later.
Can I have his wife's number?
She won't pick up.
Phone to,
No, she won't pick up. No, she's a triathlete. Falls asleep by 9 in the morning.
अच्छा,
He's
okay.
up
I
from
have
3.
to send one of those. What blimps?
If you want to bitch
Cyrus
Yeah.
said!
I think she'll like you because you're quite, what's it called? You're blunt. I think she likes blunt personality. So that'll be good. Which is rare in India, to be honest.
You're
Who's
not blunt. You're blunt.
I'm blunt, but I try not to be so blunt. Yeah.
So how do you pick and choose?
I don't know. I feel comfortable with the person. I can talk freely, but sometimes you have to be a little careful, right?
Like
You-
how?
I don't know if you get one of the GG people, no?
You get
Who
GG
respect
people
demand.
on your show?
कभी-कभी होता है.
बताओ कौन?
I can't remember names, but sometimes you have to.
Not that blonde.
We had Mani Shankar Iyer, lovely
Who?
interview. Mani Shankar Iyer, the politician. He was very nice, but he's older, he's a statesman. I mean, can't.
That you
I
know
can't
that.
go. He's a Delhi boy. I can't go MCBC with him immediately. Maybe second interview.
ठीक है वो तो अलग ये तो बहुत obvious आप you've given.
Yeah, but he was very nice. He was very nice, and he's also Shakespeare
He's
quoting.
not being very blunt
No,
right now.
he was Shakespeare quoting. You'd like him. Honestly, very well read man. It's so nice to have people who have some sense of the written word. No, otherwise, too much of this Insta is driving us nuts, man.
It is driving.
Yo. I can't take it anymore, man.
It's
I wake up and I want to shoot myself. And my dad took the air gun, and I've not seen it for the last 20 years. We had an air gun, Shiva.
Yeah.
Now that we want to discuss
but
other
where's the
things.
dad?
Yeah, or maybe not. I don't know where Parsi.
Disappeared.
I don't know where Parsis go. Nobody's clear. They throw us out of Iran. Then struggling to stay in India. And next thing you know,
goodness.
It's true. That was the promised land. You know the whole story of the Parsis.
This
Shiva.
promised land thing.
Let me tell you the story of the Parsis. They left the persecution when Islam and the sword came and all that. So they got into boats and they ran away. They left Iran and they were trying to find Germany because they wanted meat and potatoes and beer and all that. I don't know where they took the wrong turn and reached Gujarat coast. No meat, no potatoes, no beer. But, you take in the culture and today we speak Gujarati. That's our story.
But how Parsi do you feel?
Not at all. Very little.
So this
Sometimes I do when I bang into a wall.
what?
Some things which are,
Very Parsi like?
yeah.
What are Parsi like things?
I don't know if the glass is very transparent. I've often banged into it, for example, not
But
knowing
that
it's there.
can happen to many people.
Yeah, but I feel in our community it happens a lot more for some reason. I think we're overconfident. We just walk in, sure there's no glass, till there's a glass. And next thing you know, you're in pain. It's like that.
But at least he simplifies it all.
Yeah.
Life is simple there.
Really, yeah.
ठीक
So
है.
I have lots of angst, but this is not my show.
Who
so-
doesn't? I mean,
Yeah,
not,
but my angst is more towards civic infrastructure and civic situations.
we all have that.
Yeah, so that drives me. I can't think beyond that, so I can't have empathy for many issues of the world because I'm still irritated with the fact that people are walking on the road and not the pavement.
That's
and,
true.
and I have to drive and they stare at me when the car touches.
That's true.
And I'm like, what the don't start me off.
But then when you get home or when you're not on a road, then there's other angst. No? It's not just one kind of
the home angsts are very different.
I'm
the
saying
home
that we
angst-
all have all kinds of angst, right? It's not like
I
that.
see. You escape marriage, but you don't know what it's like anymore. It's very difficult because my wife travels a lot and then she comes back.
So
I
you
have,
also escape half some of the marriage, and if she
no,
travels
so when
a lot-
so my dog's on the bed, my underwear is anywhere I want, everything's the way I like it, which is all curtain shut, AC on. And then she comes back and it's like Poland all over again, 1939, I mean, the freaking invasion happens and then before you know it, we're all running for cover.
So what
Why
do
the
you
dog
think?
in the bed?
What do you think?
She checks the hair on the bed.
Everybody does so much natak about this whole I'm married.
No,
I'm
separate rooms, separate bathrooms, marriage can be great.
Ha.
Like how when we were dating, see, people are at their best while dating. We have to keep the dating and not anything else.
No,
Because then-
there's something there. Actually.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Because it just,
Yeah.
and males and females are very different in certain things. We just can't come together on.
We're very different in
Yeah.
in too many
Like
than
her
certain-
toilet culture is very different from mine.
100%.
I didn't even know that there's a rack to hang the towel. I've never even seen it. It was my house. She came into my house where I lived all my life. I never knew. She just looked behind the door. There's you put the towel there. I said, where? And it was there. 30 years I didn't see it. I swear, man.
But
This is
true,
scary.
what you're saying,
Yeah.
actual separation of very critical spaces.
If you have the money,
Yeah.
you have 2 rooms, so you don't
Yeah.
get into. You can sleep
and
together.
also
That's fine.
a mind adjustment. Imagine otherwise saying
Buffer
that,
zone chahiye. Buffer
Ah.
zone. You just need that buffer.
Nice.
Then people are okay because just like Big Boss or any of these social experiments, you can't be together all the time, and then one person tries to dominate and all kinds of things and change the other person.
Huh.
You can't change people. That's very difficult.
No, you can't. You
Eh,
can't.
so-
100% you can't.
Yeah, so that's my point.
सिर्फ इतना space different होने से you think it'll get sorted?
Much easier then because the stress level, your happy face will be there when you're meeting. Like you used to when you were dating girls or guys or whatever. You go on a happy face once your
But emotional
personality.
distance is one of the things I think that normally kills in marriages. Is that not true? It's like all these are things like, oh, we're not going to say you put the toilet seat down, or you left your dirty towel over there, or you left a toothpaste. These are things will be managed. These are things, and then you'll bring one part of your happy face. But then when you are in separate spaces for longish periods, not that you will be, but I'm just saying that it's the other shit which is I'm asking that
Hey,
is it possible?
one of the greatest marriages of our lifetime
Yes.
is Queen Elizabeth and her husband. They had separate palaces.
They had separate.
And it survived 92 years of marriage or something ridiculous, like world record, yeah?
Yeah, but they also had to.
What had to means being rich is a problem?
No.
Or, yeah, if I had 2 palaces, I'd have two.
Being these lineage of royalty, they had to. So
But see, they're successful because there's space, that buffer space. I'm telling you, all these famous rich corporates of India and all that, they must be all having buffer spaces.
So what is good to be terribly unhappy actually, but keep it going because
That is the worst.
you manage
That is
you
the
are
worst.
managing if you manage a civic sensibility and ye agar if your zone my zone how do I say, if it's working on this one level, is it
So
a
do
good
play
idea
acting
to
is what you're saying? Do play acting is सब कुछ ठीक है?
I don't know play acting hai ki
No,
nahi,
Insta
but
when you see
it's
those
like
reels.
what you choose, like
No.
does it work, does it work?
No, so people compromise. I don't deny that, but the Insta reels I can't bear.
What are they?
Because I know the certain
Oh,
families.
those people.
When they show the whole family, we are now in Maldives having such a great time, my lovely wife, happy anniversary. Bang, chot. You spend the whole morning talking about how much you hate her and how you want to chase some other chick. So that's too much. But luckily, my wife and I don't have that problem because we fight all the time, openly. So there we are democratic. You pay for your permissiveness in democracy. It's
And the
okay.
sparks show you that it's alive.
Alive or not, that we can't lie. We're always fighting. We fight over everything. We fight in public. We fight in theatres. We fight on the road. We fight in She's walked out of my car with my baby, my son, young son, at Haji Ali. I'll never forget. She's a moving car. I couldn't even brake properly. It was full traffic.
Yeah.
It just got out.
Yeah.
Very bad temper here. But there's no chemical that we can give her. We tried.
Really?
When she's sleeping. But it doesn't help. But I'm telling you, separate rooms. Otherwise, no matter how nice people are and how good they are,
fair
it just
enough.
gets.
Like the option sounds
Like,
good.
imagine we do the podcast for 400 hours without stopping. You'd hate me.
That's true.
Maybe earlier.
Already?
Maybe, maybe a lot earlier.
I don't say that. No, true.
Why do we force people to have the same space here? It's just stupid.
Like option is a good thing. Like if you have the option.
Yeah, no, you must spend time together, but you must have space to go to so that you can be away for some time. Unfortunately, in Mumbai, as you know, the flats are very small.
That is true.
Yeah, you even make love in front of your neighbors because they're with you in the same flat. Not by choice, but because that's what you could afford. This is not a sexual thing. This is a practical, logistical. Look at Abhay sir, you own 5 different houses from Nagpur to here and you don't nod your head.
What?
These are all zamindars, yaar. They're all landed gentry. Aisa bahut hai. What is your situation, Shiba?
I just
Flat
bought
in
a
Panchil
house.
Park, bungalow in Green Park,
अबे यार.
Greater Kailash 1 or 2.
दिल्ली तो खत्म हो
कुछ
चुका
नहीं
है.
है.
Delhi's out.
गुड़गांव में बहुत है. Nothing.
Delhi is finished, done. Now,
You don't, no investments, no houses, nothing.
in Faridabad there is one.
Dekha, this is how I don't trust women. I never trust women. It took a little while. Faridabad is what the border.
It's not
Haryana ka
Delhi,
beginning.
yeah.
It's, oh, come on. You drive out, you're in Faridabad. It's like Thane. My God, this is
It's not just my house.
Separate rooms.
It's owned.
Separate rooms.
It's owned by
I don't
3
trust
people.
you. I don't trust you.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we have to take a break in the meantime.
What? Why?
We've gone all over the way because there's a hour thing that we try to keep.
Oh, now?
So people don't. So we take a break for a few seconds.
Take. And then what will you come back to?
My God, you asked too many questions.
Oh, shit,
You're like
yeah.
a reverse interrogation.
Oh, really?
You know, like I'm the terrorist, but you won't stop.
What?
You know, like I've captured you and I'm now trying to interrogate you, but you're doing it.
Oh, shit,
You know,
sorry.
reverse interrogations.
What?
Many terrorists become reformed because they meet
Just
people
do
like
all
you.
that when I'm going off.
Yeah.
What?
Subtle. We're taking a break. We'll come back.
Ja.
Hello! It's been another great week on IVM Podcast Network. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus chats with Miang Chang about his journey from Indian Idol to Badmash Company, some untold stories, and how comics and dentistry shaped his life. On A Century of Stories, Kunal unravels India's 4G revolution, a game changer that bridged the digital divide and brought affordable, high-speed internet to the millions of people of India. On Mind Over Money, Sumaira explains what systematic withdrawal plan is, how it works, and its benefits. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word. Tell your friends and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you are listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show names. So do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors of this week: IDFC First Bank, Axis Mutual Fund, SBI Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, and IndusInd Bank.
Shiba, we've started again,
Oh,
but
damn
we're going
it.
on talking, so
Okay.
it doesn't matter.
How much he talks.
Any relation to Rishabh Chadda?
No, yeah.
Huh?
No.
She's come here often. I don't want to flex, but yeah,
Yeah.
a few
Oh,
times.
no.
Let's
Only her husband plays my son. That's the relation.
Oh,
Ali.
so that
Please.
makes you the mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law of Richa.
God, it takes me so long to put it together. Yeah, what? I really have to take that lion's mane mushroom for cognitive functioning.
I tell you, I'm taking. Made note.
Are you taking
made
it?
note. No, I'm making note.
Do you
of it.
taking? You said you like taking all these things. What have you taken? Have you taken anything for mental faculty improvement thingy?
No, but I think I'm going to have to.
You feel the memory goes a little.
Arey, very.
No.
Abbe, yaar.
Can't remember people.
Abbe, memory is to like a. Mane, faces even, Cyrus. It's like I'll be shooting with people.
Ooh.
No. Out of context. I've shot with them. एक
Many
महीना
times.
film के दौरान अच्छा लंबा time. Out of context, I'm meeting the person.
No idea.
No idea. And now I've stopped even doing the thing. I just see
So
that
I'll
say,
tell you my name when we meet again.
yeah, you might have to.
No, I'll immediately say Cyrus. And you just do an acting job, no? Like you said about relationships. You just do an acting job and say, yeah, beta, whatever, brother, whatever you want to call me. Yeah.
No, this is
But-
yeah, it's in another
See,
level right now.
people
It's
don't
quite
understand
bad.
what is going to happen to everyone. This
Yeah, true.
slipping mind thing.
True.
And
This is one exercise. You know this one?
What is
it
that?
balances your left and right brain, and it's actually like
So
a
brains in the mouth.
Just
Sorry.
pretend he didn't say that. 'Cause he's
But
gonna
why am I
feel bad.
balancing my left brain? Come on, give me a reason.
It's just good for Alzheimer's, they say.
But you also look like a fool on the roads.
Yeah.
Imagine
Or a little sexy,
What if
maybe.
I'm sex?
I want to go home.
I'm learning. Teach me more, master.
No, the tongue thing, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look,
Imagine I'm standing in
there's
Gurgaon.
nothing like this. I just made it
Outside
up.
I'm-
You are looking like a fool.
Shiva, I'm outside Gurgaon, outside a girls' school.
Yeah, but that's it.
And I tell them, they come to arrest me and I say, bhai, Shiva ne kaha ki this is very good for mental faculty.
Timing
Left
is,
brain or right brain?
Timing is critical in life.
Okay.
Where and what.
Okay.
Very, very critical. Your wife might enjoy.
Stop
the
spoiling the mood. No wife goes, that stopped 3 weeks into the marriage. Oh, I'm sorry. He's recently married.
Oh.
They're feeling very scared.
But truth bombs. This is such.
Yeah. The good thing is you won't remember your wife also as your memory fades. So it's all good.
Get the Alzheimer's.
Yeah. All right. So going back to the career, so then you started doing a lot of TV. Some you're not happy with because.
Yeah, when the daily soaps happened, then that became.
But they would pay the bills, no?
Yeah, pay the bills. Pay the bills well, but.
Tell people what kind of work life that is. Because people don't know just how many. I think that was the worst work life. A daily soap person working non-stop Monday to Sunday.
Daily soap is like. So my fight used to be that I didn't want to work more than 18 days in a month. That was
Yeah.
my cut-off thing. And beyond that, I think I'll die. I'll like just implode if I
It's a
go
fair
on this.
amount because if you count weekends and the odd holiday, it's normal. 18, 19 days is what people work.
Weekend का तो कोई फंडा नहीं है ना यार
हाँ,
हमारे
फंडा
काम में.
नहीं है.
Not at all. There's nothing like a weekend. But I'm saying that because everybody was 25 days, 30 days. So my fight used to be that no more than 18 days. But yeah, I did some of those and yeah.
And the most painful experience? Other than the
Being there,
podcast?
all of them. Yeah, those. Yeah. Yeah, they were just, yeah.
So you were much happier doing Othello or doing something which...
I think most actors would be, yeah.
Yeah, fair.
I mean, but no,
That's
but
fair.
some actors are good fits, I think, for daily soap because they enjoy all of that.
But why do they have these long, drawn, emotional moments on daily soaps where the camera just stays on the person after they've received news that the mother is dying? You know, and they just stay...
This
and
is just one of the beauties and gems of daily soaps. There's just one. That
The
you
other,
said.
I'll tell you my problems. I have a few. The other is that whenever they have a almost lovemaking scene or something, everybody's got makeup in the bed. Like my limited sexual activity, I don't remember any woman putting on makeup in the bed.
God, your wife really didn't try, did she?
Look at what she married. Why did she have to try? She could have done so much better. Well, don't remind her.
Again, one of the things. Daily soaps come with a long list of horrors which you have to endure as an actor, and they can seriously
Destroy
screw
your
up your
self-esteem for yourself.
when
you're alone.
your work. You know, literally. Like I recently shot with an actor. She came.
We
for
play a game here where you just rhyme the name and we never say the name.
No, you won't even. I
Like-
don't
like,
even know
you
her
say
name.
Sham if the name
I
is
don't
Ram.
even know her name because she's somebody who came from a daily soap set and does a lot of that. And I
So how do you
literally- she came
call her?
for-
You go like,
No, yaar, she came for one scene.
Haan,
And
but
I
baat
don't
hui na,
remember
baat
her
hui.
name. I genuinely don't remember her name.
so you
It's
can't do
just-
like this and all that. How do you communicate?
I just did.
You know her name.
I just did.
Shiba, you're not being open.
Fuck off, yeah, Cyrus. I
Fair.
don't know her name.
Fair comment. Best moment of the podcast. Okay, moving on.
So, but she
Jo bhi
said
hai.
that
हाँ.
the director had to keep on telling her to just Because, and she said honestly that, so itne saal ho gaye that I've just been doing the daily soap, and they always want you to, you know,
Over.
just, yeah, that it's, I'm saying that you get so wired when you are on that set. And if you do it over a period of time, you won't even realize that literally becomes
Your reality.
how you will, anytime
Nice.
with the cameras on, that's how you will perform. You don't even get a sense ke this thing, this zone is something else. You won't know how to
So it's like a switch
acclimatize.
on, switch off, or you become this doll-like character or whatever.
Mane, it just screws your craft, for lack of a better word. It will just screw your thing completely. I mean, that's 100%.
So when you look at it, stage would be your preferred. If say money is not an issue, stage would be number one.
No, yeah.
What
it's
would be
not
number
like
one?
that, guys.
Films?
I really enjoy a lot of cinema work now. And alag hai yaar, dono. Both are very alag, and it's a constant. This talk is a very, very typical interview question, I must say.
Oh, I'm just asking you to kill time.
But you know what? Yeah, theatre and cinema alag. So it's not one better, one worse. Just very different.
Yeah, a lot of people like to flex on the theatres, the medium, and this and that, and which is not really fair. Like you said, just totally different.
For me, they are totally different.
I
They're
just
two
feel safer
different.
doing theatre because whatever mistakes I make, I can make up.
Whatever you what?
You can make mistakes, call the wrong name, say the wrong line, go to the wrong place. But you can make it up in the play, in the course of the play.
How can you?
Oh, I do it all the time. I did it all the time.
What play
I've
did
done
you do?
Lots of plays when I was younger.
What?
English plays, nobody watches them, but we did them.
So nobody's obviously watching because
No.
you're making mistakes.
I don't know if you know Bugs Bhargav Krishna.
Of course.
So we did a play called Rumours in Pune when we did one version where we were all drunk. We put us on that 5
You
o'clock.
were drunk while performing.
Yeah, so 5 o'clock train in the morning, and we started drinking then. I was young.
And
There
now?
were girls and all that. So you girls, drinks, I was
yeah,
very
I'm
happy.
flexing, I'm doing theatre, I'm drunk, I'm so cool.
Yeah, you're around young girls.
This is my phone number and this is my room number.
Not
and
didn't really that, but you know. Anyway, cut a long story short.
really that.
Almost never,
Almost always.
unless the girl was really drunk.
Which was?
I got married.
Oh, that's the kind of guy you are.
So no, listen.
Oh, that's
so
sweet.
it has a lot of. It's like a sitcom sort of style. No? So it's got a lot of entries and exits, which if you're not, that's really tough when you're drunk. Actually, dialogues weren't so tough because they were imprinted in the head. But where you're going was a real headache. Which door was opening and went, and it just kills the comedy.
But you what?
But,
You
but there's
created
comedy for
another
us.
one, yeah.
So there's a second play going on, and it's really funny for us. And we were all drunk. Like out of 6 principal actors, 4 were drunk.
Oh my God.
So-
Whilst this is a great story.
Bugs was the most drunk. So if you ever catch him, please ask him. Because he vomited outside Rajnish's ashram the next day. Because we wanted to go and see whether they'll let us in. So we went. And I'll never forget that. And my other friend Kunal and me, and we were helping him out because he was more
Which
drunk than us.
Kunal?
Vijayakar. And
Kunal Vijayakar.
And he
Didn't we do we did a thing once, didn't we? All of us. Wasn't Kunal there? We did a what is it called? Yeah, pilot kind of a thing. Don't you remember?
Of course. Yeah, we did.
Oh yeah.
Then he died.
Yeah.
Sorry. Should we take names? No. So the principal actor passed away.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, of course.
This is all true. This is going to be a very tough podcast to understand. But it was a very decent pilot, I thought. It was pretty okay. But then, I mean, this was just bad timing.
But he died quite later. That
No, but they were trying to sell they were moving around with it, and then the principal actor was not there. So I don't know what happened after that.
Yeah.
It's called Life.
Life.
Yeah, God, I remember.
Yeah.
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 You were very well behaved.
I was, nah? So
Was
were
it-
you actually.
I'm always well behaved.
That's true, he is.
And I was on time.
You were on time.
Both days. We shot for 2 days, if you
Both
remember
days.
correctly. God, how did we forget that?
Yeah, I just remember too.
God, we should have opened with that, but we can't talk about it, no?
No, we can't talk
Because
about
they still have the pilot, and maybe at the age of 81, I'll see that pilot coming to life.
Boss, अब मुझे नहीं लग रहा जान
नहीं,
से
नहीं,
उसका.
गया.
Sorry यार.
One more pilot
Sorry
down
to
the tube.
burst your
Yeah.
Sorry, but
God,
नहीं.
if people look back and do retros and all, they'll find all this stuff,
Yeah.
which will be like our best work, which was never shown
True,
to anyone.
true.
You never know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like we had Zakir Hussain passed away
Yeah.
recently.
All these good guys are dying, yeah.
Lovely guy. Interviewed him a lot. But we did a
Oh, you
promo
did?
when I was young. Yeah, because it was music television. We used to play music initially. It changed later.
So you've interviewed him.
Lots of times done events and all that. He was great fun.
Yeah.
He's a very funny man. And very nice, very charming, and of course hugely talented. But I don't even like Indian classical music. I have no ear for it. But I remember listening to, he for the non-discerning audience, he would do like Jim Morrison and stuff on the tabla,
Yeah.
break on through to the other side. And also we were suddenly completely mesmerized.
Yeah.
And then go back into like Indian classical, then go back into whatever. What a talent.
Wow, man.
Why did you bring him up? See, now I can't remember. There must have been a reason. Huh. What were we talking about?
Do this. 12 times.
Yeah, let's talk about the other films. No, and also the OTT. So then you started the OTT as well,
Yeah.
where we met. Yeah,
Yeah, TVF was the first people. Yeah, those
Yeah.
were really fun, cool guys to work with.
right.
Permanent Roommates
Permanent
was the first one.
Roommates,
Yeah,
yeah,
that was
yeah.
really good fun. I came in second season. So that's when also one
So that you like. That
so
environment
much,
is much
yeah.
better.
It's literally like you land up on a set and you have to feel like most times you have to like normally you're like, okay, ye dialogue aaya, this like change. But normally on OTT it's like wow, the stuff is just written so the pitch is so this it's just
You buy it.
yeah, you buy it and
Yeah.
you it's like, oh acha khatam ho gaya. It's like when you do the chota wala, what do you call the little sketches also, they're like that same zone, no?
Yeah.
Pocket Aces, TVF, they're just it's wonderful. It's just it's so easy and it's so
I guess after
Yeah.
soaps, daily soaps, everything is a step up.
No, that's true.
The quality, the
That's
people, the energy.
yeah,
and-
it's terrible. I'm dissing Daily Soap because it really
the-
did. It did
It
pay
paid the
my
bills.
rent for a very long time. But yeah, it's true that it's a jail. A jail.
But if you get a chance, please do a daily soap because it'll do wonders for your career.
If you have no other way of making money.
Yeah, just say it anyway. Just sell it to them.
Eh.
Yeah. This is what our show is all about: to lift the morale of people in daily soaps. That's where we're going. So OTT. What else have you done in OTT? And
Lots, yeah.
yeah,
Now lots.
just whatever comes to mind. I don't want to pressurize you.
Bandage Bandit.
Ah, right, of course.
Right now,
Yeah.
yeah. Season 2, which is, yeah. I'm quite shocked. Actually, now when I'm seeing it, I'm realizing how much hard work my director has put in, yeah. When we were doing it, हम तो अपना काम करके oh, like, oh, चले. But my God, when I'm seeing it now, I'm seeing the scale at which he's mounted the second season, which also I didn't realize.
And the second season is much more pressure, isn't it?
हम लोग को नहीं
Not
होता
for you,
यार.
for him,
You
I'm
know,
saying.
yeah,
Yeah,
for
yeah,
him
yeah.
obviously, for the creators of course it is. But we just go and do our thing and come. Yeah, हमको क्या ही, you know what I mean? In that sense, I mean, of course, we all. The show is ours. We feel very whatever.
You have equity in the show like in America?
I wish.
That day will come.
Kahin nahi.
That day will
I
come,
tell you,
Shiva.
those residuals and all that.
Seinfeld, none of them work. They don't have to work.
tell you,
Still
man.
getting paid. 140 countries play.
I've done 2 foreign gigs abhi recently. We tried to get the residuals, but it was shot down, man. They never.
But it's a proper role, like one of the main cast.
Yeah, yeah.
Then you have to get the residual.
No, yeah, there is some other clause, some shit is there, something else.
It's a
is there.
racist. Indian ke liye nahi hai. You want to check all this. How sad.
No, no. One is a film, and one was a show. Same people. And yeah, there were no residuals.
International. You know, Jack Nicholson, our good friend, he did the first Batman. I think he
When's he
plays.
coming next?
He'll be on soon.
Ajay,
He plays the Joker or the Penguin or something. I can't remember. The first Batman in the
He was
80s.
there. Yeah.
And he did a clause with them that every subsequent Batman, whether he's acting in it or not, he will get paid for.
Smart यार, हम लोग का foresight नहीं है ना life में.
Can you
हम लोग कभी
imagine
आगे का
every
नहीं
soap
सोचते.
opera today will be paying you because you had that clause
Man,
in
can you imagine?
from back in the day. I'm just suggesting it. Okay, back
The
to
absurdity of it, I tell you.
Okay, so what's on now?
Bandage
What's
Bandits is
plate?
on now.
Yeah, season 2.
Season 2, Permanent Roommates just came out. Season 3, Mirzapur has already happened some months back. Trial is another show I do on Hotstar that I've just shot for. Second season. Kajol is there in it. She's very good. And yeah, ye chal raha hai.
What is Trial about?
Trial is a law drama, so to speak. Yeah. So it's good fun. I play a boss lady. With
That goes
short
back to
hair.
your TV 18 days. You started with police cases and all that.
No, but that was this is I'm on the other side. There I used to play the victim. Here I'm playing the boss lady.
Oh, okay.
I run the law firm, one of them.
Oh, nice. Do you know I'm a one-year LLB?
You are?
For what it's worth.
Not
I
surprised.
come from a line of lawyers.
Not surprised.
3 generations.
But your family is all that.
Yeah, my dad was grandfather, great-grandfather. 3 generations, then I screwed it up. 1 year LLB, then I started working with MTV.
Dekho.
I never completed the exam. I can still. After watching this podcast, I might have to. You said all the wrong things.
नहीं अब तो नहीं होगा.
No, wait, we'll run out of time. I have to get to one more thing. So, he's given me information that you talk about being a single mother and all the challenges of that. I'm a single father in
You're
many
a
ways.
single father,
sometimes.
many ways. Separate
Yeah.
bedrooms and separate rooms.
No,
and
just
all
that the
that.
kids talk to me more than her. But then if you met her, you'll understand why. But let's not talk about
Tell
my
me
life.
these lines are you have a little package of these lines. Tell me that.
It's not
There's
that.
like cut paste. ये तो यहाँ लगा देंगे. Tell me
Shiva,
number 42.
I'm the softer parent. In all cases, if there are 2 parents, then the softer parent is the one that kids talk to. Doesn't mean
normally it is the
doesn't mean I'm
guy,
the better
no.
parent.
No, of course not.
Mostly it could be the father, but I was just talking to a guy in the.
Because the women are doing the heavy lifting, yeah, most times.
They do all the heavy lifting.
Yeah,
No
so
one's
then,
denying that.
so then the guys get
And
to
without
play
the
the
women,
cool
there'd be no
daddy.
family. There's no question.
Of course.
So we understand all that, but at the end of the day, they can be. They're just not fun. They're not fun enough.
True.
They lack the fun gene. I think they had the fun gene, but after they're getting married, they lose the fun
After
gene.
they have after you have kids, you,
Yeah.
you tend to lose your fun gene because you become a worry magnet.
Yeah.
You become a total worry magnet,
Yeah.
and you become a bit of a guilt magnet, and then you are doing the heavy lifting as well. Because most guys are a little bit useless. I'm sorry.
We are useless.
In child rearing, I think something is seriously missing in most guys.
We contribute, but I would say that it would be like 70-30 at best for the good ones.
So just look at that.
Yeah.
Just look at that maths.
That's the truth.
And then you say,
Can't lie.
oh, the fun gene nahi hai. Abbe,
My God, this woman is really scaring me.
Okay, sorry.
And we did a pilot together.
Sorry.
And we got along really well there. Yeah.
I was acting.
Though, yeah, you were acting. Those days are gone. Yeah. I can't even remember what the character was.
Me neither.
Yeah. Okay. Before we wind up, do you want to talk about that at all? The fact that you have
whatever you ask,
you
what?
manage bringing up
Yeah,
a
tough.
kid, and this because these long hours that you talk about, and these,
Yeah, that's a
especially
real-
when the child is young.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
real bitch. I had my mother come in a lot, and but it's very difficult as a single mom to work, and a lot of my work is travel, na. So then there've been a lot of gigs that I've had to say no to. My choice, because I didn't. Either if it's something I came back to back, I would say no to it because then I've just gone out and I don't want to. It's really hard because it's true, yeah. It takes like a village to raise a kid, yeah. Actually, it's really
Also, which
does.
village is important, but I get what you're saying.
Money,
Yeah.
you can't choose village,
That's
something.
true. Yeah. No,
Yeah.
so when you think of Westerners and all that, not to make a racist comment, but many of them don't have the options we have of the mother, the father,
True.
the people around that you can
True,
trust, sometimes even neighbors that you've grown up with or friends. So that support system is very different. So I think
Yeah.
we get away, not get away, we have slightly better options.
But the support structure also sort of starts thinning down with as you go. Like my mother, passed, and then her dad's mother, she also passed. So it just, you know what I mean? It just starts thinning down, but the needs are the same, and it does, and it's hard.
I could be a professional father. Like not the sex part. I'm not good at that.
He's
But
not good at that.
I'm not good at that.
He is not good at that.
Not good at that. But I could be a professional father for a little while because I'm good at being a father for a
See,
little while.
that's the thing. It's the little while thing.
Yeah, the little while
The
thing.
guys all do it well for a little while.
Exactly. So for 2 hours a day.
But kids don't need it a little while, right? Kids need it all
Damn
the
you kids,
time.
you're so frigging
That's
demanding,
it.
full of
Yahi hai,
yourselves.
Yahi problem hai. Bachcho ki sari problem.
Really, why do we humor these kids so much? No, but we're making light of a situation, but it obviously must have been tough.
Very tough.
Because you have to balance both these things. I think if we didn't have both parent option plus my mom and at home, etc.,
Wow.
it would be a lot difficult when they were young. Now I regret it. We should have given the kids away.
Hai na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wake up thinking, have they gone? No, they're here. It's
They-
terrible. How old is your?
She's 19 now.
19.
She's still going only now.
Now she
yeah.
won't want to see your face.
That's
most of the
true.
time.
Already it's like, oh, I'm glad to be going and all that.
God, it's so
college.
embarrassing. They depend on you and then they reject you,
But
especially in public.
that's literally how it works.
Yeah, but I
It's
can't
like
remember-
marriage.
Do you think we
but-
did that? Did you do that? Did
I did that. 100%. I mean, look at it, I laugh sometimes. Like, okay, wow, karma is real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to tease my parents. I still do. My dad's not there anymore, but I tease them. But I haven't rejected them.
But you know what I mean? It's not that kind of rejection. It's
Yeah.
a little bit of public rejection. It's a little bit of taking that grantedness is like of another level. Yeah.
Another level.
So it's that.
God, we should do this as a podcast and bitch about being a fucking parent.
Yeah, true.
It's not
Just
easy. Yeah.
Rejection by taking that person so much for granted.
You
is
hit the nail on the head. Taken for granted is the
Yeah,
whole thing.
yeah,
They just
totally.
don't. By the time they appreciate you're dead.
But then there's no other relationship in life you can do that with, yeah, Cyrus?
I got my dogs.
So I don't know the pet wala story.
Fantastic.
That universe is...
You spend time with dogs, you will give up human beings in 5 minutes.
Yeah,
The relationship for human beings will always be need based. Everything should be just need based. We should just.
it is already
It is.
needs-based, Yeah,
But
totally.
emotionally, your salvation will come from dogs. You'll feel great.
There's something there.
Trust me.
No, there's
I'm more
something
wise
there.
than I look. Because no pants, people think, okay, he's an idiot. But Baba Ramdev,
He said it.
no pants.
He said it.
Some of the great philosophers of India, no pants. Arya
Baba
Bhatta,
Ramdev's name
Baba
you're
Ramdev,
taking.
no pants. Arya
He's a
Bhatta, the
philosopher.
mathematician. Well, he is a philosopher as well. If you listen to what he has to say, and he also sells ointments.
Eyes are popping. Yeah, okay, go.
Seriously good eye pop. Can you do it again?
No. You're not paying me.
Are you available for private
Oh,
parties?
fuck off.
And now, pesh karte hai Sheba.
With your eye pop.
All right, before we end, we have to do AMAs apparently. We should-
What is that now?
So this is people writing in,
What?
but I
Oh,
have to find
questions
them.
from peoples.
For you,
What?
Okay. Personal life. Can I read what he sent me?
Yeah.
You will not get angry.
I may.
Sheba Chadha discussed the challenges of being a single parent, emphasizing the significant responsibility of being the primary caregiver for a daughter.
Abey to
While her
baat.
daughter-
He asked the same question you asked. Ask some new question.
No, but he asked me to get into this thing. I was
But
like,
you
are you
asked
sure?
his question only, da. Just
She-
like 5 minutes back.
Sheba acknowledged that she is the main person managing all aspects of her child's well-being, describing herself as the first line of defense, offense, everything.
That's true.
My
I
God.
am.
Okay.
I am that.
Yeah. Come.
First line of offense
We'll
and
take
defense.
We'll take two.
Now when they're 19,
Are
a
you
lot of
are you a
offense.
Leo? You're sounding like a Leo.
No, Ray.
What are you?
Libra.
Libra. September, no?
They're different than October walas.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Huge difference.
I think they're quite different.
Oh, I didn't think of it that way. I'm an August Leo, right in the middle.
Ah.
August 7th. So
August
you're a
7th.
September, the early
27.
early
No,
Libra.
early is Virgo. Oh, Virgo.
Okay.
How serious are we about all this?
What are
man?
your characteristics?
Oh, I don't know.
Come on, you know. Don't be shy.
I'm becoming very khadus. That's
What is
my
a Libra?
character.
That's okay. I don't think you are.
I'm very khadus.
You think?
I'm damn
Like in
khadus.
actuality, or you just put on a front like that?
No, I'm quite khadus.
Are you rude?
Now, I'm very rude.
I like rude people. I feel we should have more rude
Abey,
people.
yaar.
Because everybody's so fake.
Yeah, I'm
Like,
very rude.
people say
yeah.
good morning in the morning with no feeling of
No,
good
no,
morning.
my daughter has
Hate
to
that.
tell me. She tells me that, boss, calm down. I'm very rude.
And when your daughter starts calling you boss, I feel the relationship has changed completely. I mean, that's fantastic.
It
But it's better than my son and me.
What does he call you?
He just uses his hand to, like I'm blocking the screen. So it's always like that.
that also.
That's our relationship.
That also. And that one, the little,
Yeah, all that.
like
Like,
you're in my room. Like,
yeah, what they call the side eye.
Yeah.
Like, why are you here?
Yeah. I roll to ab passe ho gaya.
Yeah.
Don't even bother that much.
I roll
do
is
you?
too much. They won't work so hard on us here. Lack of respect, my God. Vida is asking, your fan, she says, which medium do you prefer? Movies, TV shows, OTT platforms, short videos, or for YouTube? That's a tough one. You sort of answered, but
I did. TV no.
but OTT seems to make you very happy right now.
Yeah, so do films when it's.
Short videos on YouTube.
I love those.
Yeah.
I love those. It's like really lovely.
Are you big on Insta?
Are you big on Insta?
Yeah.
No, yeah. Very functionally so. And sometimes I'll get a little, like Bandish ka bhi, there's a lot of stuff is coming, so
Oh,
it's fun
that
to
way.
read and all that. But other than that, it's something that it's a very, very finite, small part of my life, thank God. Because I'm seeing how it is not in our kids.
My God.
Yeah, so it's like we are like, fucking, is this really
They
real?
talk through Insta. They don't even
Yeah,
talk.
man,
They
it's
just
like-
DM
yeah.
each other. I mean, it's just
So that's the language only now. No?
horrible.
No, language of
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
You think of me how is only how you are to me Instagrammically. Other than that, there's nothing, no?
Do invites and all that, which I don't see. They do invites on that, which you don't even see.
Invite to chalo ho gaya. It's like literally what my relation with you today is how Instagrammically we are conversing. That's how the relationship is.
But you can reject or whatever, delete or whatever.
Of course, but then they don't. That is another thing, na yaar. To reject, delete is another language of Instagram.
I would
only,
do
no?
it, but people can tell.
They can.
That's the only problem.
Yeah, but you're blunt. You can allow not happy. Okay with that?
I like to be liked. I'm Leo.
Oy.
So I'm that fake fraud blunt.
Oy.
Very different from your blunt. You're a little more sincere blunt.
Really?
So we're blunt, but different versions of blunt.
Yeah, but if you don't like me, it'll hurt me.
Why wouldn't I like you?
No, I'm saying.
not that evil.
I'm saying if not you. I mean.
I like ladies.
You
I'm
like
very
ladies.
different with women than I am with
No,
men.
I picked up on that.
I don't
quite
like
early.
men.
You
Can't
don't-
stand these fuckheads.
Yeah,
Look at
they-
them all.
And funnily, there are no women in your.
No women. Chauvinistic
Then
IBM.
why?
They don't hire women. They are,
Why?
again, women don't make good workers.
What?
I'm just kidding. Nobody said that. The eye popping was coming for free. Okay, Dark Hood is asking a question. Ma'am, you've been part of many comedy films as well. Can you recount your favorite scene from any of these films?
No, yeah. ऐसे मुझे याद ही नहीं रहता है. Comedy films is what? I'm not part of
A
comedy.
film which was a comedy.
No.
Some are intentionally comedy and some are not.
The ones that are not intentionally comedy, I can't take their names. But I suppose you mean films like Badaido, which I suppose you might think is a comedy, but it's not really. Yeah, the scenes from Badaido.
Just to get rid of the person and answer
I
the
don't know
question.
what to answer this.
That's fair. You've got to be blunt. We've said the whole beginning of the premise was that.
So sorry.
So if the
yaar,
question is rubbish for you, it's rubbish for you.
Meaning I never remember, so I have to do. I don't remember like that.
What if it's true?
It is true.
What if the whole country starts following us?
It's
You know,
lovely.
everywhere people are like.
But it's supposed to literally one of those.
So-
It's an Insta pop-up though, I must say.
So some friend of yours from school comes and says, "You remember me?" And you go, "1 second."
She's I always knew this one was a real chudail. Yeah, man. I'm telling you.
All right. The good thing is we're out of time. We're well over 1 hour. Shiba, it's been great. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you, Cyrus.
Before you go, is there anything that's releasing now that we haven't spoken about?
No, Baby John just came. I'm in it.
My God.
Uh,
You're in Baby John, one of the big films.
Tiny role. What is coming now? I don't remember. Oh, shit.
Wait.
No, but the one I'm really going to look forward to is what's going to come hopefully sometime this year, maybe end. It's a film I've done abroad, and that's one abroadian film that I'm really looking
Abroad,
forward to.
matlab, with the foreign crew.
London. Mein shoot kiya. The one I said, no, 2 things I did.
Haan,
so
correct.
Those,
Yeah,
those
but you didn't get
gigs.
the residual. So you can't say the name?
I think I could. It's a film called Hamlet. It's with
Wow.
Riz Ahmed. So Riz Ahmed is the
Is it like a takeoff on Hamlet or?
no, it's real
Hamlet.
Hamlet, but a
Set.
film. And the script is out of Hamlet. But of course
Modernized, huh?
tweaked and set, of course, in contemporary time. And nothing that is said is not from Hamlet. Everything is from Hamlet. The text.
My
So,
most beautiful line in the English language is from Hamlet.
what, to be or not to be?
To thine own self, be true.
Aye.
And this, above all, to thine own self, be true.
Aye, that
Lovely, no?
bloody
What
play
beautiful
has
line.
some बहुत ही
Fantastic.
and something to you one can say. And the rest is
Really?
silence.
Ah. And that's it. It's going to be silence from us. Shiba shut me up finally. The ghost of Hamlet
Nothing
is.
can shut him up.
Oh, how sweet. She's really got me something. Do I open it?
Yeah, of course.
I dare open it.
Open it.
What do
I
I-
got this for you because, like I said, I was going through your Instagram and stuff
Oh.
and just watching your podcast and seeing what it is that I could
Oh,
get you.
yes.
So-
Nose and ear hair trimmer.
Yes.
Because, you know, the wife used to take off all the nose and ear hair and now she doesn't do it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what I really wanted.
Turn it around.
Ani, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
This way?
No, the other way, the front of it, because they're all taking pictures of
This
it.
one?
There you go. Yeah.
There you go. Wow.
It's called Lifelong.
Lifelong.
There you go.
And this paper will spoil the show. But I'm just going to open it now. I'm a little excited because this is what I really needed. See,
You've
nobody-
been talking about it, so I was like,
It's
what can I
true.
get Cyrus? What can I get him? So I thought I'd get you this.
So, my God. So this I can use myself?
Yeah, of course.
But I always like someone to do that for me.
Well, you can then ask Aisha if she will be so kind as to.
Aisha will use this to kill me. Looks like something she can. It's so sweet of you. Thank you very much.
No problem.
I've got you nothing.
Nothing.
I'm so sorry.
That's
But if you
alright.
come back, I'm sure we'll be able to get something. Guys, we'll do that.
I actually baked a carrot cake also with like high protein.